Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the rear left burner on your stove. The reason why you might have to do this is because the burner is missing, damaged, or clogged. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the stove that we're going to be using for our demonstration. It's a Frigidaire, and keep in mind that ours might be a little bit different than what you've got at home, but the same techniques should still apply. So to get to our burner, which is right here, it's our rear right burner, we're going to remove this grate, set that off to the side, and I'm going to remove this burner cap, set that on top there, and remove the burner. All you have to do is simply pull it right off. Now I'm going to show you real quick by taking off this other burner cap and burner that this burner does not fit here. I'm trying to put this on here. You can see it kind of fits on here, but it's not snug, so it's not the right burner. You can see when it's actually put into its place, it doesn't go anywhere. That one just wiggles a little tiny bit, but it's proper burner. So now we're going to take this off and we're going to grab our new one. This is our new OEM replacement burner. If you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. To put it on, we're simply going to line up this notch right here with the igniter, slide that on, and we're going to put the burner caps back on our burners. Set the grate back on, and now we're ready to cook again. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.